it's me again. Hi. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing that same thing again, where I'm gonna be watching my video back, and then I'll be talking to you guys about what I'm doing. So I've got to get used to this. It's really difficult, I tell you, it's really difficult. Plus also my other half's in the front room, so I'm kind of like really anxious, not anxious, but kind of like I hate it when he's here and I'm doing stuff like this. So I've put the washing machine on. Hopefully it will spin soon, so he won't hear me. Such a knob. Okay, right, ready, let's get into the video. So got my Alina hand, absolutely love her, she's amazing. I've got the Anais hand, lifelike, in the shade Autumn. I've got a referral code down the bottom, so if you want to get one, you get $5 and I get $5. I'm also going to be using today my Caught You Looking gel polishes. So I've got 139 and 150. 139 is slightly darker than 150. And I've also got these really cool ball stickers. I got these from Shein, so I've had these for a little while, and I keep seeing, oh, by the way, that's tea. It's nothing else. It's tea. Yeah, I've had these ball stickers for a long time, and I wanted to do something with them, but I felt like Christmas was like the wrong time to do them. Anyway, I went on Instagram yesterday to look for some inspiration, and I saw a set of ball nails, and I was like, oh my god, I've got my ball stickers. Balls. So I thought I'd do a set today, and yeah, so it's going to be kind of like a nude set with this week. I'm kind of, the nails that I'm going to do this week are going to be more salon viable nails, because a lot of you, not a lot of you, but I do get comments every now and then saying, can I do some more like active length sets of nails? So I thought, right, this week I'm going to try and do a couple of like more salon viable nails, basically more active length nails, so that, you know, do you know what I mean? Just, I want to please everybody. So right, on the middle finger and the pinky, we are going to go in with the was it 139? I've forgotten already. So I've put one coat of that on. Then I'm going to go in with 150 before I cure those. I'll do this colour as well. So my Ugly Duckling gel polishes are from a website called Caught You Looking. They are actually Ugly Duckling's UK distributor. So you can get them from there. There is also a Facebook group. So if you have Ugly Duckling gel polishes and you want to show your designs off, come and join the Ugly Duckling Caught You Looking Facebook group, because we'd love to see them. Your designs, I mean. So yeah, so this is obviously going to go on the index and the ring finger. Don't forget to cap the edges. I think I forgot to cap the edges of the other ones, but there we go. That's going to go in the lamp now. They need a 30-second cure in a LED lamp. Okay, and now we're going to go in with the second coat, but I think I do speed this up in a minute. I thought some of it I want to keep in real time, because I don't know if you guys, I used to, my other videos, I have moments, well, I have a lot of moments, but what I'm talking about is I have moments in videos that I speed up, because I feel like otherwise the video drags on and on. But I wanted to show you me applying gel polish in real time. I'm probably not the quickest, but you know, who is? I don't know, who is? It's probably someone that's really quick, I suppose. Anyway, yeah, so this bit now I've obviously sped up, because I feel like once you've seen one, you've seen them all. So we're going to speed it up, and I'm going to go in with the browner colour this time. This actually, confession time, this nail, I did put too much on the second time, because I went back over the nail, because it had something in it. You know, like when you put the gel polish on the nail and then you see like a bit of fluff or something, it had a bit of fluff or something, and I thought, I can't leave it there. So I got it off, and then I wanted to reapply the gel polish, and I didn't quite realise how much. See, like I've done this bit here, right? Then I'm going to go on to the next nail, and then I come back to the other nail. I don't know, I can't remember if I cut it out or not. But that's the only problem, right, with these practice hands in general. If they're made of silicone, they like to attract dust and stuff, and then obviously that's sometimes gonna end up on your nail in your gel polish, which is a pain in the bum. Look, this is the bit. So I did something on that, which I got off. what I do normally is before I use it, I'll take it to the bathroom and I'll run it in some warm water, and then I will just pat it dry with the, you know, like the kitchen towel that's on the thingy here. I didn't do it this time round and it had been sitting a little while, so it obviously gathered a little bit of dust, but that's going to go in the lamp now. And you'll see, right, if you watch the middle finger, can you see, look, it's starting to wrinkle already. So pretend that's not there. If that happens to you with a client, you're gonna have to take that off and start again, because that potentially will peel, and you don't want that to happen. And your client could get uncured product on their skin, and you don't want that, because if that happens a lot over time, then it could potentially cause allergic reactions. Anyway, I was like, quickly get the gold foil and cover it up. So I got some gold foil. It's more of a champagne gold, and I'm just dabbing it into the tacky layer. Right, I'm not going to put any I'm not going to put foil glue on, foil gel, because I didn't want the whole nail to be covered. I just wanted a nice little splodge of foil, and then on top of that foil, I've got itchy nose. I've got some really big nose hairs, by the way. I got my dad one of those waxing kits that you stick the wax up your nose for Christmas, and he said, you can use it, and I'm like, I don't want to, I'm too scared, but I think I'm gonna have to. And I got to wax my tash. I still haven't done it yet. Right, so I like the little bull's head. I thought that was cute, so that's going to go on that nail. And I kind of liked that you got the gel polish and then the gold foil and then the sticker. I mean, this is really, so it's just something really easy that you can do. You can do this at home as well. If you're a home user, you can do this easy peasy. So I want to, yeah, that's kind of this week, kind of wanted to concentrate on some, I'm going to do like a galaxy set of nails as well this week, because apparently galaxy nails are trending for 2022. Don't know why. I think galaxy nails are kind of always a popular thing, but there we go, I don't know. So yeah, so I've done a set of galaxy nails as well for this week. Again, this kind of same length nail. I want to keep it kind of, yeah, the galaxy nails are probably a little bit more difficult, but only slightly. They're not that. So yeah, so we're going to do those later on in the week as well. Anyway, I've got Ugly Duckling's matte top coat, and I'm going to go over, sorry, but this is going to be a matte set. If you want it shiny, you can leave it shiny. It's just personal preference, but you know what I'm like with the old matte top coat. Yeah, I know. So we're gonna put this. I don't know why I didn't do the other nails. I do the other nails off camera. I don't know why. I just thought I'd do the nails with the stickers on first. I'm not sure why. But when they come out, they're gonna look a little bit shiny still. It comes out with a tacky layer, so you're gonna need to get that's my cup of tea. You're going to need to get a lint-free wipe and some gel cleanser or isopropyl alcohol. I'll get there eventually. There we go. And just wipe that tacky layer off the nail. And then it will be matted. Sorry if you can hear the telly in the background. He's watching Storage Wars, and it's got that bloke Heavy D in it, and he's so noisy. Anyway, look, there we go. So now we've got our... they're not, I don't know, it's not the mattest matte, but I really like I just think it looks really cool. I think it looks lovely. So I managed to get some little bits of fluff on can you see them on the other nails? So I'm gonna just wipe them over to get the bits off, because I don't want to top coat them with the bits on, and then I'll just top coat them off camera. And then now they're done, I'm using Preciosa Starlight and Preciosa Golden Honey crystals. These are from Crystal Parade, and you can use code NAT5 to get 5% off if you want to. I'm also using Nalchemy's Crystal Totalist Gem Glue. That's the one. And using the back of my Scarlet Centre Crystal Pro, I'm just going to put a little line of gem glue on the nail, and I'm going to just add some crystals, making the ones at the top bigger, and then as I go down to the middle of the nail, they're going to taper down, so they're going to get smaller. And I'm just going to push those all in place. And I had some gem glue that was poking out the side, so I decided that I was just going to stick some caviar beads in there as well. Normally I'll tip them all over my my paper towel, but I thought I'd try and get them in the lid this time. I did lose a couple. So what I'm going to do is, using the gem glue that's popped out between the crystals, I'm just going to stick the caviar beads between those. And there wasn't a lot on the left hand side, so I am going to have to put some more gem glue on that left hand side. There we go. You can use a brush to do this. If you use a detailer brush, you can be a little bit more precise. I couldn't be bothered to get my detailer brush out, so I just done it with the back of the dotting tool. And then look, I'm just going to push the caviar beads between each of the crystals. There we go. And then I'm just going to make sure that they're all nice and straight and even and symmetrical, and then I will bung those in the lamp for 60 seconds. I was going to say 30, but the gem glue needs 60-second cure. And then that is the set done. I actually really like these. I keep seeing these ball nails everywhere, and I was like, yeah, anyway, I'm really glad I finally got to do them. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. It is completely free, and you can always change your mind later, though I'd rather you didn't. Please stay. Okay, love you all lots, and I will see you all tomorrow. Love you all. Bye.